Hello guys, so today is a bit of a different video because I need your help. I can't stop burping. It's really weird. This is something I've been struggling with for it's not very nice, I'm sorry. This is something I've been struggling with for over 1 year, 1.5 years. I burp a lot. My doctor gave me medications and tried to fix my stomach issues, but we are not really getting somewhere. And it's always that I got to kind of burp, and we had all kinds of stomach medications. Nothing really changed anything. And I had some kind of, it's called Lefax medications, and it kind of worked, but it's not something that fixes the source of the problem, the root of the problem. And yes, it's kind of demotivating, demoralizing, and I thought I would ask for your help. So if somebody's out there with the same problem or knows what to do or what to try, please tell me, because this has been going on for over a year, and it's usually way more than this, so it's really severe usually. Sometimes I'm really bloated. My stomach is bloated, feels like a cramp kind of, but not always. And I'm not I don't have acid coming up my stomach, acid coming up my it's not coming up into my mouth. I don't have a kind of reflux. It's just that I need to burp all the time. And this is obviously something that can't stay. It's kind of really weird, but I figured, let's try, give it a shot. There might be somebody that has some advice. I would be really, really grateful if you know something. Comment anything related to this topic. If you have any ideas, please, I need your help. And if I got something new on this topic, I will inform you. But this is it for now. Thank you a lot and have a nice evening. Bye.